Hi, welcome to the House of Mini. Today we will be talking more about the Distress Ink, which is by Tim Hall's Ranger series, and we will discuss a little more as to how to use these colors and things. I have these. So the first thing is I have these mini ones. They come in bigger ones also, but these colors last really long. So not that you will have to buy the larger ones. You are good to go with the mini ones also. So try and have the mini ones. They are available in packs of 4. You can order different packs of them and see that the colors are not repeated, and keep them with you. Now, how do you use this, or how would you want to colored a particular surface? So this one is basically used for paper, and the best results that we have seen over a period of time is on the iris paper. The iris paper, if you're putting using distress ink, the color which comes out is really beautiful, and they really stand out. So if you are into making miniature flowers, try using the iris paper. 120 GSM should be good enough, and then you can start using them with the distress ink. Now, initially when the distress inks were led in the market, they didn't have anything other than, so the only way that you see was you'll have these kind of a sponge. There was a stamp like this with a velcro. You put it on these, open your box, start coloring and merging the color. Now see, these colors are old, but over a period of time, can you see these colors, or these sponge became really dirty, and then it starts to come out while you're coloring. So I don't think how, but they have come up with something which is these brushes. If you want, you can get them to in a pack of 5 or 6, or you can get single also. I have bought these especially from Itsy Bitsy. You can get individual brushes. You don't require many. Don't think that if you have 10 colors you need 10 different brushes. 1 or 2 different brushes with different sizes and shapes would be good enough, because these are washable. Just put them under the running tap, clean it with the soap water, and you are good to go to color another one. So not that you will have to have many of them, just have 2 or 3, and you can use it with all of the ink. So that's great about it. The other thing that they have is the distress marker, which is corresponding to the kind of colors that you get in the distress ink. These come with 2 variants, like the brush side and the fine side. Now I have my experience with these. I have a lot of them. They correspond to all the available distress inks. So I thought it would be good if I had the sketch pens also with the fining for fine detailing, like on the flowers and papers, and even if you're making cards, or let's say you're making leaves or any detailing. But the problem with these distressing marker is that they dry. So I don't know, I have bought it, but most of my colors have dried over a period of time, whether I used it or did not use it. Some people say do not keep it standing, so I always have kept it flat, but having done all these things also has not helped. These colors, especially the distress markers, are getting dried very fast. Instead of these, it would be a good idea to have the distress ink, which is the mini one. Buy 2-3 of these brushes, and I think you're good to go. Probably this tin box, you might not be able to find that easily in India to store them, but that's not an issue. You can just stack them. These are stackables. Just stack them like these. See, and they do not come out also. So, and keep them. You don't even need these boxes. So this is a good this is definitely something good that you should try and get it if you're starting with crafting. I've given you a detailed information. If you need any further information, do message us, and thank you.